Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS Marketplace images for data science AMI step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 service in the console. In the EC2 dashboard, locate the Launch Instance button and click on it. You will be taken to the Choose an Amazon Machine Image AMI page. Here, select the AWS Marketplace tab to view available AMIs. Use the search bar to find specific data science AMIs by entering relevant keywords. Once you find a suitable AMI, click on it to access the details. Review the AMI's description, pricing, and any specific notes provided. When you're ready, click on the Continue button. Choose the instance type that meets your project requirements. Click Next, configure instance details to set up instance configurations. On the Configure Instance page, set the details as needed for your project. Next, click Next, add storage to configure the storage options for your instance. Adjust the size and type of storage if necessary, then click Next, add tags. If desired, add tags to identify your instance. After adding tags, click Next, configure security group. Select an existing security group or create a new one to control your. Once security group settings are reviewed, click Review and Launch. Look over all your chosen configurations on the review page. If everything looks correct, click the Launch button. You will be prompted to select or create a key pair for SSH access. Choose your existing key pair or create a new one, then acknowledge the reminder about the key pair security. Finally, click Launch Instances to start your new instance. You can monitor the instance initialization status in your EC2 dashboard. Once the instance is running, you can connect to it using your preferred SSH client. With these steps, you have successfully installed an AWS Marketplace image for data science AMIs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.